Hello, I'm Tony, and in the next 5 minutes I will bring you few facts about the tool called NEM DNS, which allows you to connect your namespace on the NEM blockchain to the DNS domain. So let's start. So how to get this tool? Basically you need to have the newest version of the nanowallet, at least 2.3.0 and latest, and the tool resides in the Services tab in the DNS section. So what is it for and how to use it? Basically, DNS means Domain Name System. That means if you've got some kind of website, it usually resides on some kind of server. This server has its own physical address. It's usually IP address, like for example 200 198 0. This is like one IP address. But if you would look up domains, websites using only this IP, many people wouldn't remember those numbers. That's why there is a domain name system that is translating name, which is for example name.io, to its IP address. In this example I will use namechange.com, which is name token exchange, and I already looked up its IP address. This is the IP address of the namechange.com. I will link it to the tools.nem domain because I'm the owner of the tools namespace. So what is namespace? Namespace is your identity on the NEM platform. Originally your account has no namespaces, you have to buy one and you can have more than one, but there can't be more than two namespaces that are the same. So there can't be two Apple's namespaces. You should have at least Apple and Apple 1 or Apple 2 or whatever. There can't be two identical namespaces. The same as it is with the domain name systems. You can't have two websites name.io that are pointing to different addresses. That means namespaces are great to setting up domain namespaces. And how to create namespace, I show it in the video that I will link here on the screen and in the description. It's called How to Create Your Own Token on the NEM platform, because you have to have namespace to create your own token. So yeah, let's go right now and create this domain for the namechange.com. This is the IP address. I will copy it. So it's 13 and ends at 110. Let's go to the nanowallet. Let's configure DNS. Let's select the tools namespace, and I already have it typed in because I already sent this message, and those are my own details. So I would click just send and send another transaction, but I don't want to do that because it already exists. So to look it up, let's go to services again. Let's go to the DNS, search DNS, and I will type in tools.nem. Let's go, and it will bring me to the namechange.com. So that's cool. Get info. I've got DNS information about this domain. So it isn't very cool, isn't it? Because usually you would just go to the search bar, type in tools.nem and hit enter. So I will do that right now, and it brings me to this website that shows me that could not find tools.nem. Let me explain. So this website is like a website for searching out those domains, because .nem isn't a domain registered by the ICANN, which is like a regulatory that sets up the top level domains. Top level domains, for example, is .com, .io, .org. Those are the top level domains, and .nem isn't one. So .nem is unregistered domain, and you should read this Wikipedia website about ICANN, because it's super funny, especially at the end, about some companies that bought some domains, and there was a lot of corruption in it, and yeah, you should read it. But anyway, going back to the example, so .nem isn't top level domain, so it can't be looked up by your Chrome, by your browser. So how to do it so it could be. So creator of NEM DNS, Anima, also prepared this kind of Chrome extension NEM DNS. It's here on the screen. To install it, you should go into his repository Anima IT6 NEM DNS. Of course, every link will be in the description. You should download it to your computer, to your desktop. Then go back to the extensions tab. Of course, this link I will also link in, and click on developer mode, load unpacked, and choose the Chrome extension from the folder that you downloaded. It's as easy, and I have it already. That's why after putting in tools.nem, this website is coming on. So it isn't working because creator of this project stopped supporting it because NEM Foundation wasn't interested in supporting this project, and it works, as far as I know, only on the testnet addresses and testnet namespaces. So it doesn't really work, and it's a bummer because I would love to see some kind of use case for the namespace. So why create those namespaces that are super expensive? They cost like 100 them. Why create them if you only can create tokens out of them later on? So it doesn't really make much sense. So yeah, having this extension would be cool, and I would love NEM Foundation to work on it again, if they even could work on something, but maybe Anima can do that. So I will also link his NEM address below. So if you guys want this tool to be useful, to use it like it should be used, because I just made video how to use it if it would be a working tool, please tip him, influence this guy to create this tool, to finish it, and so we can all operate on that. And thank you for watching this video. I think it was pretty easy and self-explanatory, but I went another mile to trying to research different things about it. So if you dislike this video, please hit the thumbs down, and if you like it, please hit the thumbs up. Let me know what you like in this video and what don't you like in this video, because your feedback is extremely important to me. And thank you for all the support for my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye!